everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share another crafty dare with you all. This week's crafty dare is a paper bag, paper clip, and burlap. So Crafty Dares is an Instagram group that we challenge each other 3 items to use in our project, and sometimes they're challenging and sometimes they're so much fun. Hence the name Crafty Dare. You can do it or you don't have to do it if you don't want to, or you don't have time to, or life happens. But this group has really made me craft more. I really love it. So I altered a paper bag, and I'm using that same paper, trying to use up papers that, you know, I've been cutting up and using from, I think it's the Recollections. Yeah, it's Craft Smart. Here, I have it right here. Duh. It's the Craft Smart, does it have a name? Oh, Gilded Berry paper. It's a hot buy. I think I bought this at Michael's right after Christmas, I want to say. I can't remember, but I've been using this paper. I've been loving it because it's non-traditional. I used these punches. These are all Stampin' Up! Punches. I think they're all retired, but I have them in my stash and I need to use them. I used this burlap from the Dollar Tree. I love this burlap. It's very pretty. It's a wired ribbon, and what I do is I take the wire out and use it in my projects. Let's see, what else? Yeah, okay. So here is my crafty dare. Love it. This is an altered paper bag. I used a paper bag from Target, and it's the Smarty paper bag. These are big. It's a 6 1/8 inch wide, 4 inches deep, and 12 3/8 long. As you can tell, it's pretty long. And what I do is, I'm going to show you. Here's my paper bag. I fold it in half and I decorate it. And then this is a pocket, and then this is a pocket. Okay? And I remember the first time I altered a paper bag, it was, I want to say it was on Lydia's channel, who's I Triple Dog Dare You here on YouTube. Oh, it's so long ago. I do miss her. She was the one that started it all, I believe. And every time I make one of these, I always think of her. So I added the paper to my paper bag. I added some cut aparts from the paper, and here is a little pocket. It's from this this paper. I made it into a pocket, and then the flap that folds over is also another pocket, and I could write information down here, my address, my phone, not my phone number, but my address, my name, my YouTube channel, things that I like, or you could just send a message to the person you're giving the gift to, because I am going to put something in the bag. Right now I have my tags that I altered in here, so I do not lose them. And then here is my paper clip. And I used those punches, the flower punches, to do the paper clip, and this is just an regular paper clip that I wrapped with book pages, and I have them ready on the side here. Whenever I need an altered paper clip, I just grab one of these and they're ready to go, and all I had to do was just glue the flowers together and put a bling on it, and it's really pretty. You can't even tell. Then what I did with the paper, or the paper bag, I punched the border punch on the top here with the paper and the paper bag, and I also did it on the bottom here. I don't think you can really tell, but I did that. Added the burlap. Here's another cut apart. And then in the back I just decorated the bottom, added more of this gold gilded paper in the back. I just love how it's can see some of my room. And I just love how these turned out. And I tuck that back in there and add my paper clip. There's my project for my crafty dare. I used everything that was on my list. So if you guys want to join in, create an altered paper bag and an altered paper clip, please join us and just add hashtag craftydares on your video or on your Instagram picture. That would be awesome. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.